Make noise. Hi! You making all that noise? We are 9 months today. Yeah. Make some noise. Bang on the pot. Bang on the pot. Come on, bang on the pot. You don't need me. Come on. Come on. Oh. It's supposed to bang on it, not eat it. Is that good? There you go. Yeah. Ooh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, you're all right. Makes a loud noise. Yeah, it makes a loud noise. Okay, the back of her head, lovely. She still has her long hair, but it's short underneath. I don't understand. Yeah. Hey, turn around. Yeah. Yum. See? Bang, 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 bang. I think we're more interested in eating it than making noise with it. Oh well. She was banging on it right before I took the camera out. Oh. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Hey, Seren! Move the pot. Give us a smile. Show your teethers. She's got a little snotty nose. Seren! Ooh. Oh. Oh, no. You can't eat the camera. No. All right. No. Oh, what a sad baby. Ah. Okay, I'm screwing up the camera here. Look, there's mommy and baby together. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. Look at all those teeth. All right, guys. Before she eats the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.